In front of me is SONY Xperia 1 Mark IV, and today I would like to show you how you can install and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Firstly, access Play Store and type in Magic Fluids in the search bar. Then download this free app from this developer, Mad Scientist, and just open. Now you need to click on those three lines at the bottom right corner after tapping on Got It. From here, select Settings and tap on I accept in this pop-up. Now you can adjust all of those wallpaper settings however you want to. When you're finished, click at the top right corner and bottom one again. This time you need to choose Set as Live Wallpaper, tap on Set Wallpaper and decide where you want to apply it. I will go with home screen only. Now when I click Home button, as you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!